Incredible. Timeless. Diverse. This is India, a land where the past meets the future, where over 1 billion stories unfold each day. From the snowy peaks of the Himalayas, the sun-soaked beaches of Goa to the sunrise at Kanyakumari, this is a journey across the heart of one of the oldest civilizations on Earth. For over 5 millennia, this land has been a cradle of civilization, a place where myth and reality intertwine. Welcome to India. India's story began over 5,000 years ago with the Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's earliest urban societies. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were marvels of ancient engineering, boasting sophisticated drainage systems, intricate brickwork, and vibrant trade networks. These early societies laid the foundation for India's rich cultural heritage. As time passed, India became the birthplace of some of the world's most profound philosophical and spiritual traditions. The Vedas, sacred texts of Hinduism, were composed around 1500 BCE. The principles of Dharma, Karma, and Moksha began to shape the moral and spiritual framework of the society. India's history is a tale of great empires and kingdoms, each leaving its indelible mark on the country's cultural, architectural, and political landscape. One of India's most renowned rulers, Emperor Ashoka, led the Maurya Empire to its zenith in the 3rd century BCE. His reign is known for the spread of Buddhism across Asia, and his efforts to promote peace and tolerance. Fast forward to the Mughal era, which gave rise to some of India's most iconic architectural wonders, including the Taj Mahal, an eternal symbol of love, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century. The Chola dynasty, based in the Tamil region of southern India, left behind magnificent temples, intricate sculptures, and an enduring legacy of naval power that spanned the Indian Ocean. In the 18th century, India fell under British rule. The East India Company initially dominated trade, but by the 19th century, British direct control over India led to sweeping changes in the country's politics, economy, and society. The struggle for independence was long and fraught with hardship. But the figure of Mahatma Gandhi rose to the forefront, advocating for non-violent resistance and civil disobedience. Under his leadership, India embarked on the long road to freedom. In 1947, after nearly 2 centuries of colonial domination, India gained independence. The 200-year-long British colonial era reshaped the nation, but not its spirit. Post-independence, India has grown rapidly, now the world's most populous country, and one of its largest economies. From the streets of Mumbai to the tech hubs of Bengaluru, India is at the forefront of global innovation, culture, and commerce. India's ambitious space program has brought the country into the global spotlight, with the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, launching missions to the Moon and Mars, positioning India as a leader in space exploration. Yet challenges remain. But India continues to rise, adapt, and innovate. A young population, over 65% under age 35, is shaping its future. The major pillars of Indian economy are agriculture. Though it contributes about 15 to 18% approx of the GDP, it employs nearly 40% of the population. Key products include rice, wheat, cotton, and spices. Industry. From steel to smartphones, India's manufacturing and industrial sector makes up about 25 to 30% approx of the economy. Think pharmaceuticals, automobiles, and textiles. Services. The real powerhouse. This sector contributes over 50% approx of India's GDP. India is a global leader in IT, software services, and digital innovation. India has 22 official languages. Hindi and English are most widely spoken. The currency is Indian rupee, INR. India comprises 28 states and 8 union territories, with New Delhi serving as its national capital. India is renowned for its remarkable diversity in religion, language, ethnicity, and culture, all coexisting in a harmonious blend that has earned it the title of a nation marked by unity in diversity. New Delhi is a home to bustling markets, historical monuments, and vibrant cultures. From the historic Red Fort to the modern architectural wonders, New Delhi's landscape is a living museum, telling the story of India's journey from its past to the present. The flag of India, known as the Tiranga, meaning tricolor, consists of the following elements. Top band, deep saffron, representing courage and sacrifice. Middle band, white, symbolizing peace and truth, with the Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke navy blue wheel, in the center. Bottom band, green, representing faith, fertility, and chivalry. The Ashoka Chakra, in the center of the white band, is inspired by the lion capital of Ashoka, and represents the eternal wheel of law, Dharma. Culture is the soul of India, colorful, layered, and ever-evolving. With over 2,000 ethnic groups and more than 1,600 languages spoken, India isn't one culture, it's many, coexisting and thriving. Every day in India feels like a festival of colors. From the riotous joy of Holi to the grandeur of Durga Puja, culture is alive in every celebration. From classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam and Kathak to intricate hand-woven textiles and pottery, India's artistic heritage is as diverse as its people. Whether it's dance from the south, music from the north, or art from the east, every region has its own story, its own beat. India gave the world yoga, the concept of zero, and epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana. India is not just a place, it's a spiritual journey. In Varanasi, people believe life and death meet on the banks of the holy Ganges. At the Golden Temple, you'll witness selfless service and shimmering devotion. In Bodh Gaya, under the Bodhi tree, Prince Siddhartha found enlightenment and became Buddha. And in Rishikesh, yogis gather to meditate by the sacred river. India is the birthplace of 4 major religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. But it is also home to Islam, Christianity, Judaism, Zoroastrianism, and more, a spiritual melting pot. Varanasi, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, has been a spiritual center for millennia. It is here, on the banks of the Ganges, that millions come to seek enlightenment, pay homage, or immerse themselves in India's spiritual fabric. Here, temples stand beside mosques, churches, and synagogues, symbols of India's pluralism. Total area is approximately 3.28 million square kilometers, making India the seventh largest country in the world, with a population exceeding 1.4 billion as of June 2023. Country shares land borders with Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, and coastline is over 7,500 kilometers long, bordering the Arabian Sea west and Bay of Bengal east, plus the Indian Ocean to the south. From towering mountains to lush rainforests and dry deserts, India's geography is as diverse as its people. Great Himalayan Range stretching over 2,400 kilometers across 5 countries, India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan, the Himalayan range is more than just a mountain chain. It is a natural fortress, a weather maker, a water source, and a spiritual symbol. The Himalayas boast the planet's highest peaks. Mount Everest, the tallest at 8,848 meters, stands as the roof of the world. Kanchenjunga, located on the India-Nepal border, is the highest peak in India. These mountains are the lifeline of South Asia. The Ganges, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra rivers all originate here, nourishing millions of lives and farmlands below. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries like the Yamuna, Gagara, and Tista, make this land fertile, flat, and perfect for agriculture. This plain is known as the Granary of India. Here, crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane, pulses, and jute are grown in abundance. It's the backbone of India's food production. Thar Desert The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, spans over 200,000 square kilometers across the northwestern part of India, making it the 9th largest desert in the world, and the most densely populated desert on Earth. Despite its harsh conditions, the Thar is alive, with sand dunes, rocky outcrops, sparse vegetation, and resilient life forms that have adapted to the hot and dry climate. Peninsular India, the southern part of the Indian subcontinent, shaped like a majestic triangle, surrounded by water on 3 sides. To the west lies the Arabian Sea, to the east, the Bay of Bengal, and to the south, the Indian Ocean. Peninsular India is dominated by the Deccan Plateau, flanked by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats, 2 ancient mountain ranges that run along the coasts. Major rivers like the Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Tungabhadra flow through this region, bringing life to the plains and supporting rich agriculture. This land is steeped in culture and tradition. From the temple architecture of Tamil Nadu to the classical dances of Kerala, Peninsular India is a celebration of heritage, language, and art. In India, food is a language of love. Enjoy a crisp dosa in Chennai, spicy chaat in Delhi, and buttery paneer tikka in Punjab. Try a rich Rajasthani thali with 10+ dishes, or end your meal with rasgulla from Bengal. Every region, every household, has its own secret recipe. Explore ancient wonders like the Khajuraho temples, the Sun Temple at Konark, and the fortresses of Rajasthan. Walk through Delhi's Qutub Minar, or explore the rock-cut beauty of Ajanta and Ellora caves. In Hampi, witness the fallen grandeur of the Vijayanagara Empire, stones that still whisper legends. At the same time, cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai and Delhi showcase India's futuristic skyline and vibrant urban spirit. India cannot be captured in a single film. It's a billion dreams, countless contradictions, and endless beauty. It's ancient, it's modern, it's complex, and yet, it's united. This is India, a land of resilience, diversity, and limitless possibility. And this is only the beginning. Thank you for joining Cosmic Passport in exploring the incredible country India. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook for more travel tips.